I bought a new camera, a GoPro 11. That way I could mount my GoPro 10 on the handlebar mount that I set up here. I'd like to add a rear view on some of my videos, so I hope this works out. And so here we go. Just heading to the grocery store to get something, so figured I'd run this test on both of these cameras in a short ride. And I hope the audio is coming through pretty good on this GoPro 11. Anyway, today is October 14th, Friday, 4:26 p.m. here in Longmont, Colorado. Well, it looks like Friday for sure. One of the neighbors has got all set up to go camping. Got that nice fifth wheeler in front of me. Well, this is the wrong time of day to be taking video heading west into the sun. At least I can head east up here when I have to get on Firestone Boulevard. Well, taking a left here on Firestone and heading east. Let's see the gas mileage I'm getting here. 47.5 miles per gallon. Well, we're heading almost directly east. Get up here to Colorado Boulevard, and I'm going to take a right and then head on to the Safeway grocery store. Okay, here's Colorado Boulevard. Timed it just right. The light just turned green. Perfect. Spare parts if you need some. The Saddleback Golf Course is over there to the left. Okay, we're turning into the Safeway store here. $3.38 a gallon, that's for 85 octane. Well guys, that's it for the GoPro dual camera test. I'll get home and hope this comes out okay. Have a great weekend.